So much you giving on for, not the expression, no, literally giving on for.
Obviously. Oh my god. Are you stuck? Like, this is a problem. Get this. This is a problem. What's this? No, let's try to get one day more. The rebel. What's that? This is just like you. I see it. You see it? Compare. No, I'll get it. See, my parents are calling you. Let's go. Wait, go. Get it. Hurry. I'm leaving. Stormy, run! Stormy, run! Stormy! The Mexican sushi guy. Dude, I feel weird. So what is that? What is that? Looks like caca, so I'm calling it. Let me go into it. Here you go. Can't see you too. That's good. Speaking of sushi, did we talk about sushi in our other video? That's Josh's superpower. Welcome back.
Your body is a wonderland.
Stop! 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 It looks like you threw. Yeah. Looks sexy. Stop talking. I like it. You look like Indiana Jones. You see me rolling, they hate it. Look! What? Nellie! Nellie! Perfect. Come. Nellie, stop. Ooh, ooh.